Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I am excited to present to you some more questions on solving equations. And it's all about applying inverses and applying opposites. If you want to get really good at applying opposites, then expose yourself to many different scenarios where you can apply opposites. That's what we're doing here. Let's get straight into it. So 4x to the power of a third plus 5 is equal to 0. Well, let's subtract 5 from both sides. We get 4x, oh dear, to the power of a third is equal to minus 5. Dividing both sides by 4 gives us x to the power of a third is equal, that is a 3. A third is equal to minus 5 over 4. Then we have x to the power of a third. Well, this is the same thing as the cube root of x, and that's equal to minus 5 over 4. That means that x is going to be equal to the cube of minus 5 over 4, just doing the same thing to both sides, cubing both sides. So then x is equal to, well, to cube a fraction, we multiply the top, or we cube the top and we cube the bottom. So that becomes minus 125 over 64. Okay, that's our final answer. Let me just put that over here. Let's move on. Next, we have the square root of 100 minus the cube root of x equals 6. Looks complicated, but all we've got to do is just unpick everything, guys. So we've got this big square root to deal with. We deal with that by squaring both sides. So we have 100 minus the cube root of x is equal to 6 squared. Squaring both sides. So simplifying, that's 100 minus the cube root of x is equal to 36. Okay, we can take away 100 from both sides. So minus the cube root of x is equal to minus 64, because you're doing 36 minus 100. And then we can cancel the minuses. So we have the cube root of x is equal to 64. Okay, and then what we're going to do from here is we are going to cube both sides. Right, let me just get my thinking cap on. Really, I'm getting my calculator. That's my thinking cap. So the cube, 64 times 64 times 64. Oh my god. Oh, okay, no, I'm familiar with that number. Let me know in the comments if you believe me. So you got x is equal to 64 to the power of 3. So x is equal to 262,144. That is our final answer. Let's keep going. This one looks scary, but really it's not. So we've got the cube root of 42 minus 3 root x is equal to 3. Let's undo the cube root by cubing both sides. So we have 42 minus 3 times the square root of x is equal to 3 cubed. So we have 42 minus 3 square root x is equal to 27. 3 cubed is not 9, guys. I've heard too many people say that one. Okay, and then we can take away 42 from both sides. So we have minus 3 root x is going to be equal to minus 15. Let me just do a little sanity check, please. Calculator, 22 take away 42. 27 take away 42. Yes, I did just do that with my calculator. Okay, let's divide both sides by minus 3. So we have the square root of x is equal to, well, minus 15 over minus 3 is going to give us a positive number, and in particular, positive 5. And then squaring both sides, we get x is equal to 5 squared. So x is equal to 25. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. We're going to do some more of these crazy, funky, lovely examples in our next video. And as per usual, let me just share this just so that we, get this idea, get this point. Loads. There we go. The lovely, 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 lovely page. Please join. Got this little thing here. Yep. Awesome. But otherwise, take care, guys, and keep the requests coming.